I'm a lot of you have go video Commander Gentleman, Makana Kowam, Commander NJ Makeup, sorry. NJ Makeup, one cover that now from today. Now here we see anything that has to do with it, sit at home. Man, I'm really enjoy call on the buy attention on the buy too. I'm really in the buy name and the room. And the earlier in a mere, the more you be in a maybe lie. Kidi hin ne kumakia. Ndị be anyị na-feed on controversy and chaos. A lot of ndị be anyị na-feed on controversy and chaos. Mmadụ pụtasị okay, na-aba will go out from this thing I imposed before. Na ha mee gịnị? Na ha aba will go out from it. Ihe na-apụ ndị be anyị n'ọnụ sị, ihe na-emegbukwa ha ụnụ, ihe na-eme nke a, unu abụrụ ndị mmadụ, unu bụ coward, unu jikwa wee na-eme n'ụjọ na-atụ unu nọ nke ọsụ. Ihe unu ji ekwuli ha is that, and most of people na-ekwu ha n'obodo Igbo. Ihe unu ji ekwuli ha bụ unu na-like ka obodo na-agbagara aghara ka ihe wee na-ese. So these boys kịta abịa bunye arms, bunye things against government na bunye ngwongwo na ngwongwo against government na security ka na government nowhere. Is that the time unu ya dey happy? At the end of the day, people will pay for it. Because when this okwu be that same on the government, I said it and I will still admit what I said. So that each day may say in the government are they also feeding on blood? Hijobala mother on Boban half of Balobia the hammer. Because if they did not comply this thing, when or when the police will mad on by this boy say what mother. And I also see the very careful. And I so much thank God na happen to go making the baby we say okay, only when I know sister to no long way. Why then calling them out, Oliver? Why are you people like this? Because I'm not on problem in the buying. Or does it mean no na like you could not can no? Or does it mean no like can suku? Because this in I watch this statement and the matter regarding this issue now. You know I wonder say was Nigeria no I know with this people for you other can the mother can akobi against somebody. Only will extend the hand of Udo to somebody. See okay na government unu na ache ngwa ka soro udo unu wepụta unu bịa poni okwu semba na unu ekwero na nke anụ majikwa wee mere nke anụ ngwa bulu isiki je etidie bulu isigi je etidie ọ na-agakwana udo dị n'obodo. Let us learn to acknowledge people. Let us learn to acknowledge people. Everything I have to say with politics, should not be politicalized. Our people need feed on controversy and chaos. That is why I encourage you. But in a platform, continue using it to speak the truth. That is why I choose this part. I don't know whether I like him and I like him. The truth is, at the end of the day, accept now, you accept it tomorrow. This oku hakula I like him, yes. I like him. I could do chicken for once. Onye major mother say sorry is not the weakest person. Onye mother say mother sorry, I draw weak. Just that you choose peace over violence and chaos. You choose peace, you choose kudochia. That is my own take on this okwa in this video.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, dear friends all over the world. Today is 7th of February 2026. This information is coming from the table of Triple General Igwe Botozo and Major General Gento de Yahoo and all the 40 state commanders in Biafra land. As the information reaching to my table to inform all Biafrans, order from the highest command of the Biafra restoration movement, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, has reached us that Monday sit at home is cancelled from today. Sit at home is a voluntarily and will not be enforced henceforth. Last Monday, sit at home February, 2nd of February, sit at home was a one-off event due to the Soludo's stupidity and will not happen again. Onitsha traders are Biafrans, and our children must return to school on Mondays, as commanded by our able leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Our job as guardians of Biafra land is to keep away Fulani terrorists from our land. That is the task our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, gives us, and we must follow it to the letter. No enforcement will be tolerated henceforth. Our traders should decide if they want to open or not. Any intimidation from Soludo or any government will force us to react. If Soludo is as stupid to lock down any shop in Onitsha, his family, house, and that of his in-laws will be destroyed too. We are peaceful people defending our land from Janjaweed killers, and we make no apology for that. Igbo politicians and the Nigerians should pray nothing happens to our supreme leader, Onyendu Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, because we would bring every politician children down and Nigeria will burn. Our people should see what is happening in Yoruba land as an example of what happens to a lazy, cowardly people. Our supreme leader, Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, secured our land by setting up Eastern Security Network, and we should all be grateful to him. And the Biafra Defense Forces, Biafra Liberation Army, Naval and Air Force hereby declared that it is our job to defend our land, and we must do it.